Capricorn, this is your channel messages for the 4th of May. Capricorn, we are officially in the countdown of my birthday. Okay, Capricorn, so if I'm biased in your reading, just bear with me, okay? So just to start off, okay, the celebration, because we're doing daily celebrations, Capricorn. To start it off, let's just play a little song, play a little vibe, and then we go into the reading, okay, Capricorn? Great. No, so Capricorn, Capricorn. Baby, love it, cause I you did the thing, mama love so. Baby, you love me, cause I you did the thing, mama love so. Baby, Capricorn, broke record, and remember, you see, Botch record was a 9.58 seconds. For those motherfuckers who thought that they beat it, you're just a nigga. Okay, so anyways, Capricorn, celebration, okay. Well, even though Taurus is a church, sometime you broke out in church too, okay? Capricorn, channel messages. So I'm not sure who. I'm getting something about an open heart surgery last night. I woke up feeling like I recover from open heart surgery. I'm getting something about your chest gets split. No, wait, Capricorn. I'm getting something about an incision that was made, but you went in it from the back. Maybe usually you will go in something from the back. I'm getting something from the chest, an incision that was made. I'm getting open heart surgery. If that's not it, I'm getting somebody passed away last night. All right, so my sincere condolences to you, okay? Capricorn, yeah, I'm getting some about open heart surgery. I'm getting a work on somebody's heart last night. I'm getting something about a medical facility, a hospital. I'm getting it was successful. I'm getting the person is in pain. I'm also getting something about, I don't know if it's an old person. I'm getting someone is in excruciating pain, back pain. I'm also getting, Capricorn, something about if you leave somebody old in a homes. I'm getting there's something that they're allergic to and it's causing them chest and back pain. But because them old, them think it's just, oh, I'm laying down on my back too much. So I'm getting an old person who has a PSW or a caregiver. I'm getting them to eat and then put the old person on them back. But I'm getting the person a complain about backache or something like that, or them complaining about chest pain. I'm getting something about an allergy, or I'm getting something about, yeah, I'm getting something about it going from the back, something about your back pain, or something about this old person, you're feeding them something, it's tampered. It's tampered with something them. So maybe somebody have a peanut allergy. If your grand whatever is in a place, them have peanut allergy, me getting the peanut I get mixing, and me getting the allergy not going make him have a full-blown allergy. Them putting in, like, we don't know if you're dealing with a medical facility. Me getting is just enough to make them feel stabbing in them chest. Something like that. But me getting the old person complaining about them back. Like them saying that you need to turn me, I'm having backache. Me getting it's not your back, is why them eating. I think somebody's getting poisoned. Capricorn, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Baby, you're lovely. We have the sun card coming out first, Capricorn. So I'm getting the sun. Something about your son. Maybe you're going to go check on your mother in this facility. Or I'm getting when you awaken from surgery. I'm getting the first person you're going to see is a Leo. Alright, Capricorn. The devil. We have the Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, I'm getting like somebody's preparing for you to come home. Me getting everything is bought for you already. Me getting the whole room is set up for you for just come back home. Me getting you recovering from surgery. We have Knight of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles. Like you get surgery and them send you home with a lot of medication. Me getting your chest or your back was sliced open last night. And I'm going to do something. So I'm getting a lot of medications after this. No, I don't know if you went to do like augmentation, like breast augmentation or hip or liposuction, right? And the justice card. Maybe I did liposuction because the justice is pounds, is weight. So I'm getting it. If it wasn't something about, me getting also, if you did breast surgery, one of the breasts them bigger than the other. The doctor used 25 cc here, so I don't know what 25 cc's. 5 cc's is a milligram, so 5 cc's is a mil. I think so. Somebody used must about, I don't know. Them use 25 cc's in one breast, the other breast them use about 42 cc's. Me getting one breast is bigger than the other. If it's not surgery, me getting it's cancer. You found a lump in your breast and you went in for surgery. Maybe that's why I was feeling my chest hurting me. Me getting them cut. So I'm getting one of your breasts that them cut out the tumor, something about one of your breasts is now bigger than the other or something like that. Capricorn, the devil, yeah, cause me getting either you fly somewhere for do a surgery or me getting something about somebody's like, yeah, I'll give you the surgery on a discount, then watch your breasts. It could be your ass, one bigger than the other. The strength card is clarified by the 4 of Pentacles. Yeah, me getting it, you got it on a deal. Maybe you knew a surgeon. Yeah, me getting a surgeon that him getting him credentials. Him just went into Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word and type a certificate for himself and put in his name and print it. Cause me getting a say you can get something cheap. That's why you do it, sweetie. Let me tell you something. Even this is not Miss Medical Advice YouTube. Every fucking time I'm trying to tell my viewers why the medical industry is robbing them. You banned me for 7 days for fucking Miss Medical Advice. God, let's say Tabanak. Science, right? Okay, right? Because yes, the medical industry want to make money off of you, but certain things they don't bargain with. Surgery. The Knight of Pentacles is clarified by the 8 of Cups. I'm getting it even saying that the surgery did finish too quick or the recovery was too quick. Something was too quick. Ace of Pentacles is clarified by this. Yeah. Did they IV you or them give you one pill for take? Did they give you a blue pill for take and swallow? And then the surgery on you? Them never even IV you and hook you up to IV. So I'm getting that's why you hurt so much. Because them give you pain. You know them never give you a painkiller, right? Them give you something for shut down your body. That's what they did. I don't know if there's something about a blue pill somebody give you. It will send you in one sleep. That is not for pain. It just make you unconscious so them can cut you and do what you don't wake up. I'm getting you wake up with all this pain. If they're giving you a prescription to go home and take, sir, ma'am, sir, the justice card is clarified by the 7 of. I'm also getting somebody probably left a scissors or an incision inside of you. Come getting the discount money where you pay wasn't even enough. Somebody steal it. The staff member steal part of the money of the discount money you claim for pay. We have Venus. Venus rules love. We have Capricorn. Hi Capricorn, you're lovely. Cause you broke record. Capricorn, hi, you're lovely. Cause you are the thing woman loves so. Okay, Capricorn, they love you. They love you. We have Shark and we also have sleep. Yeah, them give you one pill for put you to sleep. I'm getting you wake up. It's like you scream out because of the pain. Because them never sedate you. Them no hook you up on the IV. I don't know what is. Capricorn, the devil. Adisha Palmer has never discriminated against any type of, whether your bottom was flat or fat, whether your breast was small or big. Adisha Palmer never discriminated against any type of woman in the body. So I don't know why you felt insecure enough to go backdoor doctor for them for do this to you. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, bye.